Hello guys, welcome back to another video. So guys, on today's video I'm going to give you a strategy of under 6, and also guys, note in my next videos I have the same strategy or the same digit with different strategies, so make sure you watch my videos to get more strategies and also to try different strategies and see what works for you. Because I'm going to tell you one thing: this knowledge or these strategies that you get online, they don't work like 100%, they work 90%. And also sometimes the market shifts and goes to another dimension. Like the strategy that you are using today, it might not work tomorrow. Like I don't know if Deriv algorithms do identify the strategy, but you have to be you have to keep an eye on that. So the strategy is about under 6. So this strategy goes like this. For under 6, we are going to concentrate on 2 digits, the digits with the most appearing percentage, which is a green bar, and the digits with least appearing, which is a red bar. So for this strategy under 6, the green bar has to be on 8 and the red bar has to be on 2. For the entry point for under 6, you have to wait for the cursor to touch either 7 or 9, or it can touch 2 consecutive over numbers, because we are doing under 6. So we can wait and look for that strategy here. But as I mentioned in my previous videos, when you rely on one strategy, waiting for that strategy to come into the market, it might take forever or the whole day. Yeah, so you can see the green bar has to be on 8, and also the least appearing has to be on 2. For this scenario, it's on 4 digit, but I don't get why, because on my previous, or the one I have tried, because I have tried over 7 and also over 2 and also over 3. Beyond that, I have never done market with my real money, but for over 2, over 3 and also under 7, I have done that. And in most scenarios, like if you're doing 2%, for my strategy, I usually concentrate on lower digits, and they have to have at least less percentage, like it has to be less than 10%. But for these strategies, because I promise to be sharing the strategy that I come across with you, it might, for me, it feels weird, because green, it has the most appearing digit, but I start to be corrected, because some people have knowledge about over and under digits. It can't be compared with me, like I have experience with rise and also price action in forex. So let's wait for the cursor to touch 9 or 8, and then we click under 6. Although the strategy, the red digit has to be 2, but I'm going to try this market, because 4, it's an even number, and also it's below 6. So let me see if it works. We are going to go with, we wait for it to touch 8 and see. That's a win. And that's why, guys, I tell you, these strategies, we have different opinion on the market, depending on what we have learned. So also that's a win. We are doing under 6. So we wait for it to touch, let's see. Okay, that's a loss. We are waiting for it to touch 7 and 9, not 8. So let me wait for it to touch. Oh, I have delayed, but it's okay. For it to touch 7 and 9, 2 has to have the least percentage. So let me wait for it to touch 7, 9, 8. We ignore. We wait for it to touch 7 or 9. At least we have some few profits. We have lost 1, 9. Okay, that's another loss. 9, and then we click other. It's a win. So we have a loss of $2. So we are yet to recover. But if you do this market with a bot, I think it's much better, but I'm going to do it manually. 9, and then I'm clicking add. So if you find the market I have mentioned, you can try this strategy. Red to be on 2, 8 to be on, green to be on 8. But as you can see here, I'm trying with 4 being the least appearing. Entry point, I'm using 7 and 9. But let's see how it works. 9. So for me, I would rate this strategy 70% working, because although I have some profit, I have lost 2. Yeah. But because you see, I have gone back to where I started. With a bot, I think it's much faster compared to manually. So that's it for this strategy, guys. See you in my next video, and I hope you're learning, and I hope you try these strategies on your own. Bye.